All right, guys. Uh, it is Christmas time, and one of my favorite things to do with some of the wife's surplus ornaments she don't like to use anymore is I like to come up and take it out on the Charlie Brown tree, I call it. Uh, we got the old Remington 510 back out, sporting a new Vortex scope, 4 to 16. We're going to step back 100 yards and see if we can't pick up a few of these ornaments. Put it to the Charlie Brown tree. So let's get back and see what we can do with it. All right, guys, we're back out. We got the old Remington 510 with a Vortex at 100 yards. And we'll see if we can't pick up a few of them old ornament balls. I've not shot this thing at 100, so it's not lined up. We'll just have to try to use these MOA marks and see if we can get it on. So let's go ahead and try the red ball on the top right. All right. Well, hit the limb. Okay. Drop her down a little bit more. I just keep trying marks till I see where it hits. There we go. All right. Second mark. Let's try that same one again. Didn't shatter, so. Oh, a little bit low. There we go. All right. Second little mark kind of at the top. Let's move down below it at the little silver one and see if we can snap him. This is cheap practice for the high-powered rifles that you really don't want to be shooting a lot of ammo out of. A little bit low. There we go. All right. Well, this heavy trigger, it don't take much at 100 to get it off. We'll try that one again. There we go. All right. I seen that red one laugh at me when I missed down below it, so I want to shoot him again. Just to make him pay for that. Yeah, take that, big boy. Let's see. Which one of them looks like they need a good shot through them? Oh, we're going to get bold and go for the little one in the middle. I'll probably regret it, but let's try it. Not real sure if I hit it or the limb, but it seems like I heard it, so we'll move to the one to the left. Let's see if we can make it quit laughing. It's a lazy one. It's leaned back against the prop, so. Yep. Hard to think of a better use of these old Christmas ornaments. You know, kind of gives a little extra appreciation to the taking down of the Christmas decorations that everybody dislikes. At least with this, you can have a little fun with them and practice a little skill. Oh, hit the hanger on that one. Okay. See if we can go ahead and move on to that gold one under the red one there. Yep. All right, guys. If you've not tried this, I recommend it. It's fun. It's a good way to kind of hone your skills for longer range shooting with higher powered rifles. Again, as always, hope you guys had a great Christmas. Like, subscribe. Thanks for joining. And leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you.